you want life on Earth to be your expertise, there are lots and lots of hypotheses. Only one model for your query has so much evidence that it's called a theory. Evolution support is astronomical. Let's consider some anatomical. While some guess group origins separated, homologous structures show interrelated. Anatomical study ends perplexity, gradual increase in nervous complexity. Prokaryotes before nervous systems foreseen, evolved receptors coupled to G proteins, modified duplicates of early genes, receptors for serotonin and dopamine. Eukaryote communication a pheromone activates, like that observed in choanoflagellates. Diverse protein significance perhaps is precursors of those used later in synapses. By early animals, complexity was growing, no nerves or muscle in placozoans. Despite this, control of movement resides in endocrine homologs of neuropeptides. Metazoan animals, they're not morons. They may lack a brain, but they've got neurons. Nerve nets control digestion and pulsation. Neurons, sensory motor association. Bilaterian heads have a ganglion, neurons have dendrites and an axon, epinephrine, serotonin, acetylcholine, glia similar to astrocytes are seen. Primitive ancestors move toward features found in human spinal cord. The same pathways develop gradually. The ventral is motor, the dorsal sensory. Neuroanatomy reveals the facts. Evolution of nerves, plexuses and tracts. Medulla brain region and primitive chordates, slowly evolved features found in higher vertebrates, homologous nuclei for coordination in evolving complexity of reticular formation. Vertebrate midbrain features are shared, homologous nuclei and nerves and tracts are there. Complexity increases by and by. In mammals, tectum becomes two pairs of colliculi. More on human complexity is solved by study of how the diencephalon evolved. Structures in thalamus and hypothalamus gradually changed on the path that led to us. The pineal from which melatonin is spread once perceived light from a hole atop the head. Stories of evolution, you should tell them. Increasing complexity of the cerebellum, second largest brain region in humans you see. From cerebellar cortex to fibers Purkinje, homology of structures, evidence confirms this. Lobes, pathways, ventricle, deep nuclei and vermis. More evolution evidence, no need to be quarrelsome. Look no further than our complex cerebrum beginning in jawless fish you see. So many examples of homology Through groups of mammals, it's easily found. Basic organizational scheme was laid down. From cellular layers to structures you can see, deep nuclei matching folds and cells see. Greater and greater similarity awaits as one progresses through the groups of primates. Chimps have all human regions, no surprise. Human ancestors threefold increase in their brain size. Only evolution predicts similarity in a specific pattern, a nested hierarchy. Why is life this way? The solution, the overwhelming evidence for evolution.